Ooh. Oh, work. Are you so busy and you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, but your busy schedule won't allow you to get involved into cryptocurrency? Wow, don't get worried. The training is here. I'm going to teach you how to trade cryptocurrency. I'm going to teach you the ABC of cryptocurrency. So what do you need to do? It's free. You're not paying anything. Absolutely free. All you need to do is sign up. On the comment box below, you will see my Telegram link. Just sign up with it. Join us on our Telegram and then learn everything you need to know about cryptocurrency trading. Okay? I'm also going to teach you how I made $27,000 trading cryptocurrency in 50 days. Yes, you too can actually do that on your own if you learn the skills of trading cryptocurrency. Once again, this is only my opinion, and my opinion is based on research, so you have to do your own research. Join me once more to learn how to trade cryptocurrency for free on Telegram. My Telegram is down below. You can see it on the link down below.